Hi, my name is Liz. I'm the author of this book, To Learn Luxembourgish, available online from www.learnluxembourgish.com and in all the major bookstores in Luxembourg. I also run a language school teaching people Luxembourgish online. Today I want to talk to you about something I'm going through at the moment, which is I've had trouble sleeping. Maybe you're in the same boat and you want to wake up your partner in the middle of the night to tell them so and to make sure that they're suffering with you through it. So you can say, Ich kann nicht schlofen. Ich kann nicht schlofen. I can't sleep. Or maybe you're at the office and you want to say to your coworkers that you couldn't sleep yesterday. So you say, Ich konnte gestern nicht schlofen. Ich konnte gestern nicht schlofen. So I want to know, what do you do when you can't sleep? I've tried, I must have tried 20 things this week. One of them was, ich esse Honig. I eat honey when I can't sleep. Ich esse Honig. Ich zähle bis 100. I count to 100. Ich meditieren. I meditate. Ich meditieren. Ich probieren nicht zu denken. Ich probieren nicht zu denken. I try to think of nothing. Okay, so post in the comments below and I'll try to translate it into Luxembourgish. Adi!